Hello and welcome to this introductory video to 123D Catch. In this video I will give some essential hints and tips required to produce a successful 123D Catch model. I will discuss choosing a suitable capture environment to take the photographs in, issues regarding the lighting of the capture environment, the quality of the photographs produced by the camera, the best photography techniques to take the photographs with, and I will also give some examples of unsuitable objects to use. 123D Catch is a software that allows photographs that have been taken with the camera to be converted into digital models of objects, rooms or buildings. To do it, a series of photographs must be taken in a loop around the target object to capture all faces. These photographs can then be uploaded to the 123D Catch software, which identifies common points in each photograph and stitches them together to form a 3D model of the object. Once any imperfections on the model are cleaned up, it is possible to manufacture physical models of the object using the Autodesk 3D Print utility, which is integrated into the program. Alternatively, the 3D model can be exported to 123D Make, where a number of construction techniques can be chosen to make the model on a laser cutter or a CNC router. The secret to ensuring that an accurate digital model of an object is created is to have a suitable environment to take the photographs in. The capture environment is essential to the success of capturing the target object. Factors such as the characteristics of the room, light, quality of camera used, technique used to take the photographs, and of course the type of object being captured all contribute to the success of the capture. Through taking photographs of objects in different types of environments, I found that the best captures were taken in places where there is a detailed background. Some of the first captures that I made were in an environment that had a white screen and white walls. There was a lot of distortion on this catch model. The reason for this was that there wasn't enough distinguishable detail on the walls, such as photo frames, windows or other features that 123D Catch could use as reference points. When a room which had plenty of distinguishable features on the walls and on the floor was used, the results of the capture was much better. This shows that the room in which the capture is taken has to have enough features for 123D Catch to use to stitch the photographs together with. Light is a significant factor that needs to be considered when trying to capture an object using 123D Catch. It has been found that natural light produces much better results as fewer shadows occur on the surfaces of the object. Therefore, a room with as much windows as possible is advised. An object can also be photographed outdoors. This, however, may not always be suitable. On a sunny day when the target object is in the sunlight, will result in uneven lighting conditions, where there is light on one side and shade on the other. This can result in overexposure or underexposure, which is likely to affect the amount of detail captured in the photograph. For better results, the photographs should be taken on a cloudy, overcast day, where lighting conditions tend to be more uniform, resulting in even lighting conditions around the target object. The specification of the camera may affect the quality of the finished capture. I found that the best results for me came from a higher spec camera compared to a phone camera with a lower resolution. You should try out your own camera first to test the quality of results you can achieve. When taking the photographs, it is important that they are taken in sequence around the object. It is recommended that 2 rings of photographs containing all of the object to be taken, one at a low angle, capturing the elevations, and one at a higher angle, capturing more of the top of the piece. Once this is done, more detailed photographs can be taken of certain elements that may not have been captured by the full-length shots. Photographs should be taken at angles of about 20 degrees around the object. This is about 18 photographs in each loop around the object. However, this will vary depending on the size of the target object. It is important to note that not every object is suitable to be produced using 123D Catch. I will now run through some objects that may prove troublesome. Transparent, reflective or shiny objects, such as a water bottle or a glass object, will not work well. The problem with these types of objects is that the appearance of the object changes as the position of the camera moves. The change of appearance makes it more difficult for 123D Catch to find common points in different photographs and stitch them together. 123D Catch works by looking at every photo and locating common points in each. So when light is reflected differently on shiny objects, it changes its appearance and causes distortions on the finished 3D model. The photographs shown show a stool with a lacquered seat. Note the way the light is reflecting on the surface of the seat. When the 3D model of the stool was produced on 123D Catch, the light changes between the multiple photographs cause distortions which can be seen in the next photo. To prevent this from occurring, reflective, transparent and shiny objects should be avoided. Alternatively, a different photography technique may be needed to eliminate the glare on the surface of the target object. This concludes the introduction to 123D Catch. In the next video, a project will be demonstrated from start to finish, demonstrating the most useful features of the software.